Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can join communities on X. So if you go to the communities page here, I'm in a few communities. So to find more communities, you can also go to the discover new communities here. I'll just select community here, or you can go to explore, or you can even search it up. Some of them, they have to accept you to be in that community. Some of them is public. So I'll just select this one, and here you are just going to join the community if you'd like to, and then you're going to select agree and join, and you'll be in the community. Sorry, again, sometimes people have to accept your request for you to join their community, so just keep that in mind. That's how you can basically join communities on X. It's really fun actually, because I get to read more tweets on that topic because they're on topic. So I actually like this feature quite a lot. I'm in a lot of being mad community because I don't know. Anyways, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.